Creative writing has always been a cherished art form, mastered by a few who have the gift of imagination and the ability to bring their ideas to life on paper. But with the advent of new technologies, the future of creative writing is now being questioned. Hello and welcome to WizCabin. In today's video, we will discuss about the future of creative writing. Can ChatGPT replace human writers? Let's begin.
The creative writing industry is no stranger to advancements in technology. From the invention of the printing press to the rise of the digital age, new technologies have always found their way into the world of literature, changing the way we think about writing.
And now, a new technology has emerged that is making waves in the writing world: ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI which is trained using deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system that has the ability to generate human-like text based on the prompts given to it. Let's watch how ChatGPT works. If you want ChatGPT to write an essay on the topic global warming, just type the question in the chat box and just click enter. The AI-powered tool will write an essay for you in no time.
With its vast knowledge base and the ability to produce coherent and grammatically correct text, the question arises, can ChatGPT replace human writers in the future?
ChatGPT has many advantages over human writers. It can generate articles, stories, and even poetry with ease and efficiency, surpassing human capabilities in terms of speed and accuracy. This means that ChatGPT can produce large amounts of text in a short amount of time, making it an ideal tool for writers who need to meet tight deadlines or churn out multiple pieces of content in a single day.
But on the other hand, ChatGPT lacks the emotional connection and personal touch that only a human writer can bring to their work. Creativity and imagination, hallmarks of good writing, are still traits that only a human mind can possess. While ChatGPT can produce text that is grammatically correct and free of spelling errors, it can never truly capture the depth of human experience or the emotional resonance that only a human writer can bring to their work.
The truth is, ChatGPT can never truly replace human writers, as the power of storytelling and the ability to evoke emotions in readers lies in the human touch.
In conclusion, the future of creative writing may see a fusion of human and artificial intelligence, with ChatGPT serving as a valuable tool for writers looking to streamline their work and increase their productivity. But human writers will always hold a special place in the world of literature, as the emotional depth and imaginative spark that they bring to their work can never be replicated by a machine.
So, while ChatGPT may change the way we think about writing, it will never replace the human touch that makes creative writing such a special and timeless art form. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. For more interesting content from us, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.